Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Her Wardrobe. Today I have something really exciting in my wardrobe. I found these really pretty and elegant quad sets from Meesho, so let's check them out together. You must have seen these sort of quad sets in high-end brands like Chanel, and you can see a lot of celebrities and K-pop idols wear these sort of quad sets in their everyday or day-to-day style. So I bought these 5 sets in 5 different colors. So let's check them out together. So the first one is this white classy number. It has a white slip dress. All of them are a slip dress and a jacket style. So this has a nice black outline on top with these black bows. It's very coquette style, which is right now very trending. And the sweater on top, which also has these black bows, which is screaming Jennie from K-pop. The next one is this pretty powder blue one. The color is so pretty and very in right now, and I think it looks great on dusky skin tones. This is a similar style to the white one that we saw. It has a white outline rather than the black one and white coquette style bows. So which one do you think looks better? I personally feel like the white one is more of like a classy, elegant dinner look, and the blue one is more of like a cute date, girly sort of a vibe. So this is the first one, the powder blue one. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous on my skin tone. It has this nice soft silhouette knit, and the sweater is also pretty comfy, and I feel like I can repurpose this with another outfit. This is how it looks. The sweater's details and the bows are also sewn on pretty well. I think it's pretty good for the price, which is under 500. For styling, I've chosen this little blue bag that I have from H&M and blue heels to match with it, which matches perfectly with my outfit. Everything is in powder blue and aesthetic. This is the final look. So this is the white one, guys, and I have to say this is my most favorite one, except for one little problem. Since it's white, it's slightly see-through, but I feel like with some neutral pair of undergarments, you can even pass off this as a pretty good classy style. Other than that, the fit is really nice. Even though this one and the blue one is the same style, I would prefer this because it fits me better. I feel like that one was still more of a stretchy knit. It was comfortable, but it was slightly loose. But I feel like this one really hugs my body well, and it's also really comfy and secure. And the white and black is totally classy and very stylish. For this one, I've styled it with this little pearl number, which is also in white, which I feel like goes with the whole classy, elegant vibe. It also has this really pretty bow details, which looks even more better since it's in black. The next one is rather simple. It's in my favorite pink color. It just has a pink slip dress and a pink sweater on top. First, I thought you could open the buttons, but the buttons are sewn shut. So it's just to give you that look. And also this one is off the shoulder. It's not sitting on your shoulder, but it's like slightly pulled down to give you that sort of a look. This is the next one. It's in a pink color. It's a little different from how the color looks on the website, but it's also a really pretty color. It has fewer details, but I feel like it makes it look even more classy. It has this sweater on top, which is sewn on like I told you before, so you have to wear it from top. But it has this really nice detail of the off shoulder with the slip dress underneath. This is the bag that I'm styling with it, which I feel like it matches the whole classy vibe. From close up, the only problem with this outfit is that since the button is sewn on, you can see the flap sort of flying up, which I feel would be better if it was like flat right there. Other than that, I really love the outfit. Let me know what you think of the final look. The next one is the purple one. This one has a nice bow tie-up detail in front across the bust, which is also sewn in on the side, so you won't have a problem of it coming out or something. It's also sewn in the middle, but I prefer this would be nicer if it was adjustable for people with different bust sizes. Other than that, the sweater on top is just a simple button-down sweater. This is the next one, guys. It has this really pretty white bow in the front, which is sewn on like I told you before, but I feel like it would have been better if I could adjust how tight or loose this could be. But other than that, since it fits me perfectly, I have no complaints. It has a nice simple sweater on top with these fray edges, which is really cute in my opinion. The bow is also done pretty neatly, so I have no complaints about the finishing. It's really nice. For styling, I've chosen this little cute purple bag that I got from Seoul. And for heels, I went for the same purple number. And this is the final look. Let me know what you think. The last one is a wine red color, and it's similar to the purple one. It has a bow in front and the sweater on top. Of the two of them, I think I would prefer the purple one, but let's also see how this one turns out to look. So this is the last one, guys. To be frank, I was a little skeptical about the color because I felt like it was too dark to look classy. But I feel like it actually looks pretty good and also looks good on my skin tone. But if I had to choose, I would pick the purple one over this one because I personally like that color more. Other than that, this one has the same style and the finishing is also okay. This has just a little fray edges here, which is my only complaint. Other than that, it looks pretty nice. I've styled it with a contrast white bag this time because I didn't have the same wine red color. But this is a very cute one as well. And also this color is very in this season. It's called the cherry red. I feel like it looks really pretty. So those were all my outfits. Which one do you personally like the best? I feel like the white one was a standout winner amongst all of them. But not to forget, the rest of them are also pretty good compared to the quality as well as the price. So I'm personally really surprised that Meesho had such classy pieces. I'm going to link these below if you want me to. You can just comment below and let me know if you like any of these fits and I will definitely send you the link. I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and I will get you more such content from Meesho as well as other brands and more K-pop styles and Korean styles if you like them. Thank you for watching. Bye.